Hi everyone, I'm Slaya. Today I'll show you how to download Yandere Simulator to your computer or laptop. I'll show you two different methods. If one doesn't work, you can try the other. It should work 100%. If you're ready, let's get started. First, visit the official Yandere Simulator website. It's important to be official. Downloads from other sources may contain malicious software. Then click on the download page on the home page. Scroll down a bit and find and click on Download Launcher. As you can see, the download has started. Now let's extract the downloaded zip file and install the game. Open the extracted file and run Yandere Simulator Launcher.exe. You can start the installation by clicking the Install button. As you can see, the installation has started. However, in some cases, it may give an error. The 100% solution for this is to download the game directly. Let me show you how to fix this error. Go back to the download page and click on the download link containing the latest .zip under the download launcher. Let's wait for the download to finish. This time may vary depending on your internet speed. The download is finished. Now let's extract this zip file. Open the extracted file and run Yandere Simulator.exe. It opened successfully. I hope you found the tutorial on how to download and install Yandere Simulator on your PC helpful. If so, please subscribe to the Slaya YouTube channel and like the video. Have a good day.